Well, welcome to this video. David here. Hope you're well. So this is looking at YouTube traffic, lead generation, that type of thing. And I'm using as a case study, as I have on my profile, you'll see a part of a new business I'm creating all about how to build a business from home, because obviously that's something that interests a lot of people. My main business is lead generation and marketing for myself and all that kind of stuff. So this is a kind of 3 degrees to the right of my main business. It's focusing on making money from home. So what I've done, if you look at my other videos, I've created a domain, home-based business experts. I've got somewhere for them to land so I can start to build my list. I'm just going to look up here because my main screen's up here. So I can build my list and I can get in front of people. There's 5 pages right now on this process. This is a sales funnel. It's not a website per se. It's step by step. I take them through this process, which I've covered in another video. So the front end of the sales funnel, if you like, is done. What I'm now looking at is how can I get traffic and exposure? Because obviously you've got to get exposure initially. And I love YouTube for this. So if we go to the channel, this is the channel that I created quite a while ago. I've done nothing with it whatsoever. So I'm now using this to drive traffic and get exposure. Now, I'm not actually selling anything. So if you have a look here, the Burex here is a bit of a scammy old platform. Now, I'm not actually selling or involved in Burex at all. What I'm doing is I'm commenting on Burex so that it gets me in front of the type of people that are interested in Burex, and then I'm going to offer them something really ethical and really good. Okay, so it's a kind of branding process as well as a lead generation process. So look, Tron Stakes, I'm not involved in that either. So Wisely, I'm not involved in that either. So essentially what I'm doing is I'm getting myself in front of the right people and then commenting on what's going on in the market and then saying, hey, if you're interested in something, why don't you come to my page here and download some information about other things that are going on, and or why don't you message me? So that's what I'm doing. I'm not actually so think about it. I'm not actually selling anything that's on there. What I'm doing is just putting myself in front of the type of people that are there. So why is this getting so well? So I did these, actually finished this at 2 o'clock this morning. I don't normally do that, but I just wanted to get it done. So in 11 hours or so, I'm just going to check the time here. 2 minutes, right? So we've got 10 minutes on LinkedIn. So in 11 hours, got 81 views, a few subscribers, and 26 on that one, a few comments. So it's now starting to generate some interest, if you like. So how do I do that? Well, I use something called TubeBuddy, which I would recommend to you. So I would recommend that you use YouTube, because once you create it once, if you do it right, it consistently drives traffic. You can build a very big channel. You can make money off ads on the channel and that type of thing. So I use TubeBuddy. I'm not affiliated with them, but it's essentially it's an extension for your browser. And what happens is you can get it for free, or you can pay £7 a month for the pro version, which is what I do. And whenever you actually want to create a video, before you name the file, so you create the video, you then got to come up with a name for it. You find the keyword you want to get found for. So I found this keyword here by using TubeBuddy. So it's not an accident, it's number one. So this one here. So I'm commenting on this essentially, but I'm asking them if they're interested in something that I know is really good and ethical and works, why don't you come and have a chat? So I'm commenting on there. What I can do, if I find a keyword I want to get found for, I go to the extension. Again, there should be no accidents in your business. You should be a data-driven business. So from here, I put the keyword in, and I find that actually that it's fair. I wouldn't normally use that. I wouldn't on other channels that I've got, but I normally wait for it to get into the yellow. But the fact is, it's a new channel, and that there really isn't that much competition. 15,000 videos. So what I can also do is check the results on YouTube, and strangely enough, here is actually my video, which is really cool after 11 hours. So I can check other videos and what they look like and what they're doing and that type of thing. I can then go to other competition videos. So I can click on this one, which is talking about the same thing. And I can use TubeBuddy to check out there you go. So I can look this, okay? So these are the keywords or the tags they're using. So I can, yeah. So people are interested in Bitcoin. So how to earn. So they're interested in that type of thing. So if I click on there, what it will do is, there you go. For my channel, because this is channel specific, it says that this is in fact quite a good video for me to use. It's quite, the search volume is not great, um, but actually my channel's optimized to do well, even though there's quite a lot of competition. So what I will do is I will literally take that, I will copy it, I will then go. So this is not the main keyword I want to get found for, but it's one that I can get ranked for, according to TubeBuddy. So I'll go here, I'll copy that into there. Okay, my copy didn't work properly for some reason. So as you can see here, so it tells you I'm number one for these three keywords. Now this could be anything. You could be selling curtains or phones or glasses or whatever. It makes no difference at all. The thing is, what you want to do is make sure that you're using data from the platform that you're on that consistently drives traffic. So what it'll also do here, let's just check on the time. Oh, we're okay. And what it'll also do, it does a bunch of other stuff that I don't have time to go into on here within 10 minutes on limit. But if I've got a keyword, so for instance, that I think, yeah, that'll go, I can click on the little search bar and TubeBuddy will again tell me whether it's a good or not so good video. Now, there's not a lot of competition here, okay? I am reviewing Burax and saying how bad it is, why people shouldn't go there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that one in. Okay, and then I'm going to save it. So what happens is, once you start to get ranked, so there you go. So I'm ranked now 13 on there, 1 on there, 1 on there, 1 on there. And what all that translates to is when they see the text, they've got ways to get in contact with me, and because of that, that means that I can also benefit from that. Now, final point on here, what you also want at the end of on any YouTube channel is people to stay on the channel. That's what gets you more exposure. So having an end screen on any video is essential. And with TubeBuddy, again, you can just kind of have a template. So this is my template. So at the end of every single video, I offer them videos that are in the playlist. Okay, so playlists are important. I've got subscribe to my channel and my most recent video. So essentially what I'm always doing is I'm just keeping them on the channel, keeping them on my videos, which means they're more likely to build rapport. And it also means that YouTube is much more likely to show more of my videos because people are staying on my channel. And so step by step by step, the channel goes up, the traffic goes up, I drive people into here, my leads go up, and at a certain point, my income will also go up as well. And that is a beautifully crafted home-based business. Well, it's part of it anyway. All right, so I hope that's useful for you. If you're interested in YouTube, 8 minutes, so we've got a couple. So essentially, the key takeaways are, number one, get on YouTube, create a channel if you haven't already. Number two, whatever you upload, whether it's your content, you've got to have permission if it's somebody else's, put your own intro on the front. I use something called Camtasia to do that. It's very simple. And from there, so you upload it, you use TubeBuddy to find the right keywords, and you just follow what TubeBuddy tells you to do. And essentially, sometimes you will go on TubeBuddy and you'll find an excellent keyword phrase. And that's, when you're going to get a lot of traffic. And I think I've got one here. So let me just show you that one for us in a second. So here's a really good keyword that I'm going to be using. So I came across it. So I go into here. I just did this process. Probably take 20 minutes of video to begin to look at these keyword phrases and that type of thing. But I came across this one now. Forsage is a reputable platform. It's all about Ethereum and crypto and how you can earn money doing that. And if you look on here, it's very good. So I will rank here. There's quite a lot of traffic. There's quite a lot of competition, but it's showing me that it's a very good keyword for my phrase. So of course, the next video I'm going to make in my crypto series is how to join Forsage. It's a company that I'm affiliated with, so that is absolutely perfect. So there you go. That's how it works, and yeah, it just works brilliantly well. Reach out if you've got any questions, and take care. Bye bye.